Josiah, first thing when we're looking for a potential prospect, here's what it comes down to. Now that you can see my screen, sorry about that, right? We see a guy who has 76,000 followers, good sign, okay? You wanna see followers. You see a guy who actually has an offer, fitness coach, right? And there's a link that proves that, goes to his coaching, good sign. Traffic and offer equals money if you know what you're doing, right? You want to see that. You don't want to have to go after fitness influencers and creators who are just doing sponsored posts and affiliate links. That's not what you want. If you see that, get away from it. You want to see there's an actual service or product they're selling. He is selling one. He's got traffic. You can look at the engagement as well to see if there is comments and likes coming in, like on here. 188 likes, 2 comments. Like, you want to see, this is a true sign of people's actual following, is their engaged following engages. They comment and like. Now, some people just browse and they don't even click like or comment, and that's okay. But like, you want to see there's some traction here to some degree, right? So that's the main thing. So we see followers, we see he has an offer, he has traffic and offer, he has people actually engaging that proves the traffic is real. He has client results that proves that when he sells this product and service, there's actually proof of happy customers and clients who paid him money. These are all good signs that this guy's making money. The thing is we don't want to go after people who don't have money. Otherwise, when you go try to tell them, hey, pay me $1,000 a month for copywriting, and they're making $3K a month, good luck with that. They're not going to sign and they're out. So go after guys who are actually making money. We don't obviously know how much money somebody's making, how much revenue's in a business, but we can take some guesses, right? This guy has a sizable audience. He's got a clear offer there for coaching. He's got client results. He's got some people engaging with stuff. I'm going to guess this guy's at least doing 10 to 20K a month based on the following, the engagement, the results that I can see, and just the general overall look of his brand. I'm going to guess he's at least doing 10 to 20, maybe even more. He might be doing 50. He might be doing 100. I don't know for sure. If he has a team of coaches, if he's getting lots of traffic, you want to check if this guy's running Facebook ads too. You want to see if he has information on his website, like if he has team members, if he's been in business for 10 years. These are all good green flags you want to look for, right? You want to see that there's signs of an established business making money. That's what it comes down to.